I've been doing sales and customer service for Bass Pro for over 15 years now, but 14 and change back when I started here, and it was a good fit there. And just Subaru's a product that I've been pretty passionate about ever since my wife had one eons ago. And just seeing by putting the two together was just a natural fit, and it turns out I think it has been. I've been enjoying it ever since. Been here a little over a year. You're rewarded for your hard work. The people that come in looking for a car, for the most part, deeply, genuinely appreciate the assistance you're able to give them. Many of the people I've sold cars to talk to, weeks, months afterwards, and they're still, I love my car, it's great, it's an awesome fit, thank you so much, you're able to go here or do this or that. It just feels good. Because so often people come in with a preconceived idea that, I gotta go deal with this car salesman, and he's gonna try and, pull one over on me, and this, that, and the other. And it's, we try and make it exactly the opposite of that. It just goes back to the whole, we want to find what's best for you. It's not, okay, we know this isn't exactly what you're looking for, but you need to take this car here now. It's not like that, because at the end of the day, we want you to be a customer for life. We want you to come back. We want your spouse or significant other to come back. We want your kids to come back, your friends, your neighbors. And the only way that's going to happen is if we do right by you the first time, every time. It's actually kind of funny. I have a lady that I helped get a car, and I think she loves my dog more than me. And she actually, when she came in for her first service after she got a car from me, actually brought me in a goodie bag, not for me, for my dog. It was just the unbelievably sweetest thing in the world. And it's just funny that it's completely not car related. We happened to meet over a car, sure, but we really, connected, over, four-legged furry critters.